A turbo trainer is a great way to keep your bike in good condition over the winter months. A turbo trainer Tyre can help to protect your bike from the elements and keep it clean. Here are 10 of the best turbo trainer tires on the market. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the Maxxis Minion DHR Folding 3C Max Grip TR tire. The Maxxis Minion DHR2 is a 29x2.40 WT60 Pi Folding 3C Max Grip TR tire that is perfect for downhill riding. This tire has a max grip compound that provides exceptional grip and traction on all terrain, making it the perfect choice for riders who want the best performance possible. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the Continental Grand Prix 5000 STR Tubeless tire. The new Grand Prix 5000S Tubeless Ready is a lighter, faster and stronger tire that is the new standard in road tubeless ready technology. This tire is made to make you a better rider by providing a smoother ride, increased puncture protection and a more comfortable ride. The Tubeless Ready (TR) carcass construction is robust and impervious against damage and penetration from foreign objects, making this a versatile and low-weight tire that looks great. The Vectron breaker is a synthetically manufactured high-tech fiber that is tear-resistant and very lightweight, making it the perfect material for a premium Continental bicycle tire. The Active Comfort technology absorbs vibrations and smoothens your ride. The laser grip micro-profile structure expands over the tire's shoulder and provides outstanding cornering. The Black Chili compound provides the best balance of grip and rolling resistance for cycling. This tire is handmade in Germany and is available in the following sizes: 700x25C, 700x28C, 700x32C, and 650x25C. At number 3 on our list, we have the Schwalbe Pro 1 Road Race Tubeless Folding Bike Tire. Schwalbe's Pro 1 Road Race Tubeless Folding Bike Tire is their most advanced tubeless bike tire technology. The Pro 1 features a unique rubber compound, Adix Race, which creates a durable road tire with tenacious grip at high cornering speeds. The tire is also built with a substantial 3-layer sidewall and puncture protection belt, yet is supple to absorb bumps, de-stress the rider and ensure traction. The V-Guard 25mm liner is made of a high-tech polymer fiber that is lightweight, yet provides excellent tire protection from cuts and punctures. Rolling resistance and tire suppleness is not compromised by the V-Guard. The Pro 1 also comes with a 3-year warranty following the original purchase date of the product, or 5 years from its production date, whichever occurs first. At number 4 on our list, we have the Finksy Pair 700x35C Tire 37 to 622 foldable 60 TPI city commuter tires. The Finksy Pair 700x35C tires are a great choice for city commuters who want a fast, comfortable ride. These tires are made of high-quality nylon and rubber and feature a Kevlar wire that makes them foldable. They also have a 1mm nylon anti-puncture protection. The tires are suitable for 700C wheels and have a weight of 430 gr 0.95 pounds each. The package includes 2x700x35C tires. At number 5 on our list, we have the Continental Mountain Bike Protection Tire. This handmade MTB performance tire features a continuous protection tubeless ready insert from end to end for excellent puncture resistance and a Black Chili compound for outstanding grip and efficient rolling. The Black Chili compound improves rolling resistance by 26% and provides 30% more grip than activated silica compounds, making it a great choice for competition riding. The protection treads and sidewalls are equally protected and are 25% lighter and offer 30% more puncture protection than their predecessors. So whether you're hitting the trails or the race course, the Continental Mountain Bike Protection Tire is up to the task. At number 6 on our list, we have the Finksy Pair 26x 1.95-inch foldable slick tire. These foldable slick tires are a great replacement for your old tires and they're perfect for 26 wheels. Made of high-quality nylon and rubber compound, these tires are Kevlar wire reinforced for durability and foldability. With a fast-rolling, high-traction tread, these tires provide a more comfortable ride with good grip on uneven surfaces. So whether you're hitting the road or the trail, do it with confidence, knowing that you're covered by Finksy's full after-sales support and manufacturer warranty. At number 7 on our list, we have the Maxxis Icon 3 CEX CXO folding tire. The Maxxis Icon 3CEXCXO folding tire is a race-winning tire that is used by professionals and amateurs alike. This tire has been tested for durability and is an exception race specification. The 3C triple compound technology makes this a high-volume, lightweight true racing tire. At number 8 on our list, we have the Maxxis Minion DHF 3C Maxterra Tubeless Ready Folding MTB tire. This tire features a tread design that balances speed with braking and cornering traction, making it a great choice for any rider. The 3C Maxterra compound provides great treadwear and less rolling resistance, while the EXO protection ensures that the tire can withstand even the most treacherous trails. At number 9 on our list, we have the Maxxis Aggressor Dual Compound Tubeless Ready Enduro. The Maxxis Aggressor is a high-performance mountain bike tire that excels on everything from loose cross-country race courses to heavy all-mountain riding. The tire features advanced knob shaping for extra gripping edges and reinforced side knobs for enhanced stability when cornering at speed. The tire is also tubeless ready, meaning it can be used with or without an inner tube. And finally, at number 10 on our list, we have the Maxxis Cop. Ardent TR Unisex Adult. The Maxxis Cop. Ardent TR is a great choice for technical XC race courses and endurance length events. The center knobs are ramped to reduce rolling resistance, and the side knobs are angled and stepped to provide great biting traction in corners. The 3C Max Speed compound in the outer layer is specially formulated to reduce rolling resistance and optimize treadwear and traction. The EXO protection is an extremely cut-resistant and abrasion-resistant material added to the sidewalls of select mountain tires. This densely woven fabric is also lightweight and highly flexible, ensuring that the performance of the tire remains unaffected. The tubeless Ready bead securely locks to the rim with or without an inner tube. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.